bilingual 5th class. Today maths activity about nearest tens and nearest hundreds. First pair. Okay, pick up one card and read it.
4593.
Repeat.
4593.
4593. Which is the nearest hundreds? Which is the nearest hundred?
4600.
Very good. Repeat.
4600.
Very good. Claps. Second pair. Okay. Pick up the number card. Okay, read it.
8974.
Repeat.
8974.
Which is the nearest number of 8974? Choose.
9000.
Very good. Claps. Okay, start.
9186.
Okay, repeat.
9186.
Which is the nearest hundred of 9186? Which is the nearest hundreds? 9186.
9200.
Repeat.
9200.
Very good. Okay, start.
4924.
Repeat.
4924.
Which is the nearest hundreds of 4924? Choose. 4924, nearest hundred. Okay.
4900.
Repeat.
4900.
Very good. Claps. Okay, start.
8197.
8197. Which is the nearest hundreds of 8197? 197. 8197. Which is the nearest hundreds? 197. 197. Wrong. 197. 197. 8100.
8200.
Okay. Repeat.
8200.
8200. Right answer. Claps. Okay, start.
6718.
6780. 6780. Which is the nearest tens? Which is the nearest tens of 6780? Very good.
6780.
Very good. Claps. Okay, start.
7255.
7255. Which is the nearest tens? 7255. 7255. Nearest tens. Okay. Good.
7260.
Repeat.
7260.
Very good. Claps. Okay, start.
5000. 40, 402.
Repeat.
5,402.
Which is the hundreds of 5,402? Hundreds. 5,402. Which is the nearest hundred? 5,402. Begin. Fast. Very good. Okay.
5,400.
Very good. Claps.